Okay, thank you. Okay. Stand by, gentlemen. Calling case number 170. Okay, stand by. Okay. Calling case number 170-55176, People State of Michigan versus defendants 1, 3, and 4. Defendant 1, Lathias Sutton. Defendant 3, Benny Robinson Jr. Defendant 4, Marquise Goodman. Count 1, defendants 1, 3, and 4, robbery armed. It is a felony, penalty life or any term of years with DNA to be taken upon arrest. Gentleman with the black jacket zipped up with the white on the inside of the jacket, hood, state your name for the record. On the end. And gentleman in the center, state your name.
Benny Robinson.
Gentleman on the other end, state your name, sir.
Marquise Goodman.
Okay, and each of you understand the charges they apply in each of your cases. Is that correct, Mr. Sutton?
Yes.
Mr. Robinson, same question?
The charges.
Yes, sir. As to the charges, do you understand the charges and the penalty you could receive, sir?
Yes.
And Mr. Goodman, same question. Do you understand the charges and the penalty you could receive in your case, sir?
Can you repeat the charges for me, ma'am, please?
Yes, sir. Mr. Goodman, you are defendant number 4. Do you understand?
Yes.
Mr. Goodman, you are charged with count 1, robbery armed. Mr. Goodman, do you understand the charge? Yes or no?
Yes.
It is a felony, penalty, life in prison or any term of years with DNA to be taken upon arrest. Do you understand the penalty that you could receive on this charge, Mr. Goodman? Yes or no?
Yes.
Court will enter a not guilty plea on each of your behalf. You each have a probable cause conference January 17, 2017 at 8:30 a.m. at the 3rd Circuit Court, followed by a preliminary examination date January 24, 2017 at 8:30 a.m. at the 3rd Circuit Court, Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. With any felony matter, you have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say orally or in writing can and will be used against you in a court of law. You also have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one on your own, the court will appoint one for you at public expense. Do you understand your rights, Mr. Sutton?
Yes.
Mr. Robinson, same question.
What was that charge? That was about action.
Mr. Robinson, we're going to go over your charge again. Each of you are charged with the same thing. Mr. Robinson, do you understand that?
Yes.
Mr. Robinson, you are defendant number 3. You are charged with robbery armed. Do you understand?
Yes.
The penalty that you could receive is life in prison or any term of years. Do you understand the penalty you could receive, Mr. Robinson?
Yes.
The next question, sir, is the court has just read you your rights. Do you understand the rights that were just read to you, yes or no?
Yes.
Mr. Goodman, as to your rights, did you hear and understand your rights, sir?
Yes.
Very good. As to bond, are there any holds?
Mr. Sutton has one hold with his 19th district totaling $1,000. Mr. Robinson has no hold. And Mr. Goodman has a missing persons juvenile hold.
All right, thank you. As to defendant number 1, Mr. Sutton, court is setting bond in the amount of $75,000 cash surety, no 10%, no early or administrative release. As to Mr. Robinson, same thing, $75,000 cash surety, no 10%, no early or administrative release. And Mr. Goodman, same thing, $75,000 cash surety. no early or administrative release. You're all set, gentlemen. You can step away from the camera. Okay, DDC, stand by. We're going to briefly do a hospital arraignment. We have media here. We're going to allow them an opportunity to break down, but